In today's video, we'll explore the first method, a powerful step-by-step strategy to enhance your learning, problem solving, and practical application skills. Let's dive in. First up is F for foreseeing. This step is all about focus and visualization. Start by carefully observing the material or scenario in front of you. Picture the situation vividly to understand it on a deeper level. For example, if you're dealing with a topic like irritable bowel syndrome, imagine a patient presenting with this condition. Picture their expressions, their discomfort, and even their posture. Focus on prediction. As soon as you encounter a topic, start predicting symptoms, causes, or outcomes based on what you know. Next is I for investigation. This step is about asking the right questions to gather information and understanding the context of the condition or topic. For instance, with IBS, ask questions like what symptoms are associated with this condition? Could stress or diet be a trigger? Inquiry is your tool to clarify and expand your understanding. Now we move to R for reading. Carefully read through the material to gain detailed insights. For IBS, you might read about physical symptoms like abdominal pain, psychological factors such as anxiety, sensory abnormalities linked to the condition. Reading builds a solid foundation for your knowledge. Step 4 is S for speaking out. Practice verbalizing your understanding of the topic. For instance, imagine explaining IBS symptoms in simple terms to a patient. IBS can cause abdominal pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. Speaking ensures you've internalized the concepts and can articulate them effectively. Finally, T stands for teleprinting, which means applying what you've learned. Engage in active practice by simulating real-life scenarios. For example, role play as a healthcare professional consulting a patient presenting IBS symptoms. Practice responding professionally and compassionately. Practice builds both competency and confidence. Visualization ties all these steps together. Picture real-life situations to relate to the material better. Imagine a patient describing their symptoms to you. How do they look? How do they feel? This technique makes your learning more effective and helps you prepare for practical OET scenarios. And there you have it, the first method: foreseeing, investigation, reading, speaking out, and teleprinting. A structured and practical approach to mastering OET scenarios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and strategies. See you in the next video, and remember, you've got this.